Good morning, class 7. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will start a new chapter. That is chapter number 15. And the name of the chapter is Light. In class 6, also we learned about light. That there are objects which emit light. The basic object is sun, and from the sun every morning we observe a beam of light coming from the sky, that is from the sun. Beam of light means a number of rays together when they travel. So every morning when we wake up, we see that this beam of lights are coming from the sun. Every morning we observe that. And we observe it better when you see through a hole or from the window when the beams of light are coming in a dark room. At that moment we are able to see it properly. In class 6 we studied that, and there are several things we study in class 6, but today we will study about that light travels in a straight line. Light travels in a straight line. So whenever we observe a source of light, we will see that beams of light coming from that source, like the headlamps of a scooter, cars and engines of trains. That a beam of light is coming means a ray of light grouped together and they coming from these lamps. In the class 6 we had done an experiment. We had discussed about the experiment in which we proved that light travels in a straight line. So what was the experiment or what was the activity we had done there? So we light a candle in a dark room. We take a candle and light it in a dark room. And then we take a rubber pipe, a bended rubber pipe. And when you try to see through this bent tube pipe, the candle, you are not able to see. But when you use force and make the pipe straight, that rubber pipe, so by the help of force, when you make it straight and try to observe the candle through the hole of the rubber pipe, you are able to observe the flame of the candle by this straight pipe. So when the pipe was bent, then we are not able to see the light. But when we make the pipe straight, then we are able to see the light. So it proves that light travels in a straight line. Light travels in a straight line. By this activity, we prove that light travels in a straight line. There is one more activity. The same candle we need and we light the candle, and there are 3 cardboards are needed. And we make a hole in the center of these 3 cardboards of the same shape and size and put it one by one and try to see the candle flame through the holes. When the candle flames are in a proper straight line position, then we are able to see the candle. But if we move any cardboard from the straight line position, that is the hole from the straight line position, we are not able to see the candle. Why? Because light travels in a straight line. So in this way we are able to understand that light travels in a straight line. So class, I hope you are able to understand this lecture about light travels in a straight line. If any problem, class, ask me. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.